Hi, my fellow believers and truth seekers. Have a great day. In the context of Matatyahu, aka Matthew chapter 20, the parables of the workers in the vineyard. Chanok, aka Enoch, the 5 a.m. worker, represent the Avot, aka Patriarch, the ancestors or forefathers who are first in lineage and covenant. Yes, they become last in the sense that they weren't part of the final culminating harvest. The Netzarim, the 5 p.m. workers, symbolize the last who become first. This refers to those who join later yet receive equal reward, highlighting Aloha's graciousness and reversal of expectations. Key themes: number 1, Aloha's sovereignty and justice. Number 2, reversal of expectations. Last become first, first become last. Number 3, Chanok significance as a righteous ancestor. Number 4, Netzarim's role in the eschatological harvest. Reflection: this parable underscores Aloha's inclusive love, where those who join later are equally valued. Chanok's story as a righteous Avot foreshadows the unexpected elevation of the Netzarim, emphasizing faithfulness and divine favor. Sila!